Did you see me crash? Oh, nothing better than making little girls laugh. Hey everybody, it is Derek Jones again, and another episode today. It is about 30 degrees. It's Thursday. We've had a couple of big snowstorms. I'm gonna go outside, take my cross-country skis, and go hit a trail and see what it's like. I've only used these skis a couple of times and I wanna get better at it, so I'll give you a full review when I get up there. Stay tuned. Today, I am trying to learn how to cross-country ski. I bought these skis a year ago, actually over a year ago, and I've only used them a couple times. I'm not very good at it, but it's a lot of fun. Conditions look perfect. We're gonna give this a try. Probably be some crashing involved, but hey. And the key I've learned from my limited time in cross-country skiing is never overdress because you get hot. It's more of a cardio workout than traditional skiing or snowboarding. So we're gonna give this a try. It's kind of flat, but there's some downhill. I'm probably gonna crash a lot, but we'll give it a shot. Let me show you another invaluable tool that I found for skiing, cross-country, snowboarding. This is called a Mitt Clip. It's made by a company called Gigi. The link is down below. She has a Facebook page. She makes hats and scarves and stuff like that. They're just fantastic. And this is great when you want to take your glove off. You don't want to drop it in the snow. And with cross-country skiing, snowboarding, you're always taking your gloves on and off to take pictures or wipe your nose or whatever. These are fantastic, and they're cheap. They're like 12 bucks. So do yourself a favor and go grab a pair. Let's go over the gear I use. First, I'm using Salomon Escape Pilot 7 boots. And I'm using Sirius gloves. I got these. These are fantastic. They're lightweight but extremely warm. Using Salomon poles, Escape poles. These are a composite pole. And the skis are Escape 5 grips. Salomon Escape 5s. Okay. Let's give this a shot. No laughing. Now these skis, they slide when you, but they grip when you step down. So that's the idea. And again, I'm really new at this. So, woo! That's pretty cool. Okay, I see the value of it. I'm flying through the snow a lot faster than I would be on my boots or even snowshoes. That's pretty cool. Oh, these are great. This is great. Let's see if I can get some speed going. I should have worn my gaiters. I'm going fast enough in the powder that I got spray coming up. Now, in theory, you should be able to go downhill in a cross-country ski. But I've never done it. So this could be really bad. And I realize it's probably not much to most people. Now I realize there's veterans that do this all the time and this is no big deal. But somebody like me, I've never gone downhill on a cross-country ski. And on a snowboard, this would be nothing. I wouldn't even be afraid. But in these skis, I don't know how to control them. So I'm gonna give this a shot. This might be my last YouTube entry. Some of you probably be happy about that. If not, we'll see what happens. I'm gonna record it. Good chance there's gonna be some screaming and crashing. So here we go. Now I'm sure that this is a really bad idea for me. I'm really, really sure of that. But you know, you only live once. Maybe I had to go at an angle. Yeah, an angle sounds good. Oh! I made it 5 feet before crashing. All right. We're doing okay, other than snow in the shoes. Whoa, I can't turn. Okay, well maybe going fast enough to injure myself was a little presumptuous because I'm having a hard time just staying upright. This is a whole new experience. Okay. Ugh. All right, let's see if I can do this without dying. Oh, this is much harder than it looks. Any of you that can go downhill in a cross-country ski, you have my mad respect, because I crashed like 6 times. But now it's flat. I definitely do better on the flat than I do at any amount of incline. Or decline, I guess. I can see why people enjoy this. This is fun. But I'm not very good at it. So don't judge me. I'd like to get good at it. Alright, moving right along here. Now, like I said, you can actually run with these like a trot. And the real good guys, they run and they skate. And I haven't got to that point yet. I can just run. But as far as moving through the snow, they are much faster than my boots or my snowshoes. Though they're probably not as stable right now. Wow, these are amazing conditions. I found a hill that's more my size. It's the kiddie hill on the sledding hill. We're gonna give it a shot. See if I can go down this and not kill myself like before. So, no laughter, no laughter. I'm new, forgive me. I'm not good at everything I do. So, I've done it once, the camera was off. So of course now when I try it, I'm gonna crash horribly. Okay, try this again. Now, if I crash, no laughter. But not a very steep hill, but I am really new. So here we go, no laughter. Oh Lord. Hey, I'm Nate. Whoa. This is a lot of fun. I'm not very good, but this is a lot of fun. Try this again. This time, footage facing down. And here we go. Oh! Did you see me crash? Oh, nothing better than making little girls laugh. Definitely harder than it looks, but fun, but a lot of fun. My name's Derek. What's your name? Nice to meet you, Benjamin. All right, last time going down, this was way too steep and I totally crashed. So maybe the trick to going down is the same to going up, and that's staying at a decent angle to give this a try. All right, so these are not like downhill skis. You don't have the same level of control. They're fast going downhill, but you can't turn. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and go down the hill at an angle, and I'll let you know how it works. If you hear blood-curdling screams, you know it didn't work as planned. The key is just keeping my skis semi-parallel to the mountain. All right, seems to be working okay. I'm still upright, which is better than last time. And down we go. Okay, okay. Whoa! All right, so it's not as easy as going up. I'm just gonna Hail Mary this. Nope, it's not. Here we go again. That didn't work. And I lost a ski. What a fantastic day. Again, I'm brand new at this, so don't judge cross-country skiing based on me because I'm terrible. This was pretty cheap. I don't know what the whole rig was. Around $300. I have them in the link below. Again, look at the Gigi Go's Mitt Clips. Those are fabulous for hanging on to your gloves when you're out skiing. You want to take shots. Give me a like, or better yet, subscribe or hit the notification bell if you like this video. If you have tips or questions, please hit me up in the comments below, and I will see you next time. You can look at my track on Strava under Legion, Legion, 99999. 5 nines at the very end.